Question number 12. Here you have to find the area bounded by curves x, y. Here the given curve is xy such that y is greater than or equal to x square and y equal to mod x. So now here inequality is given y greater than or equal to x square. So first we will try to draw the diagram figure. So this is our y axis, this is our x axis. Now this is y greater than or equal to x square. So if we consider y equal to x square, y equal to x square is nothing but the parabola. For positive negative value of x, y positive. So y equal to x square is our upward parabola. So this is our upward parabola. Y equal to x square. Then we have to consider y equal to mod x, modulation function. Modulation function for positive negative value of x, y is positive. So modulation function, graph of modulation function will be like this. But extra information regarding this graph is y greater than or equal to x square. So what is the meaning of this greater than or equal to? So we have to consider the area of this parabola enclosed by this condition. For example, intersection point of these two graphs. Suppose this is point A and this is point B. So intersection point, here we are getting intersection points. क्या मिलेंगे? कई बार सोल्व कर दिया है ना एक्स स्क्वायर और एक्स को, तो यहाँ पर मिलेगा हमें x इक्वल टू 1, तो यहाँ पर मिलेगा x इक्वल टू -1. So to check this inequality, we have to consider one point which lies outside this parabola. So consider one point 20, है ना? If we consider point 20, something somewhere over here 20. So this 20 point satisfies this equation y 0 greater than or equal to 2 square 4. So condition is not satisfied. This is false, statement false. So we have to consider the area enclosed by this curve, है ना? तो इसके अंदर का एरिया आपको कंसीडर करना है, क्योंकि इसके बाहर वाला जो पॉइंट है वो इसको सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. सो वी हैव टू कंसीडर द एरिया एनक्लोज बाय दिस ग्राफ. इसके अंदर जो आएगा वो एरिया, तो इसके अंदर का एरिया ऊपर आएगा ये सब, और एरिया अंडर दिस कर्व मॉड्यूलेशन फंक्शन y इक्वल टू mod x. डन. सो एरिया विच इज कॉमन बिटवीन दिस टू ग्राफ is nothing but this one shaded by this pink color. Done. So we have to find the area of this region. So area of this region is nothing but the symmetrical about the x-axis from x equal to 0 to x equal to 1. Done. This is our y equal to minus x graph. This is y equal to x graph, and this one is y equal to x square graph. So our f of x is y equal to x and g of x is x square. So required area is nothing but the twice, डबल कर देंगे सिमेट्रिकल है तो twice of ये हमारा f of x है और ये हमारा g of x है. f of x minus g of x, इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 y equal to x, it's x dx minus 0 to 1 g of x square dx. Done. Integrate it. It's a 2 into integration of x square by 2 limits 0 to 1 minus x cube by 3 integration 0 to 1. So this is equal to, put the values of x 1, so it's a 1 by 2 minus 0, so it's a 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This is equal to 2 into 1 by 6, and that is equal to 1 by 3 square units. Done. So answer of your question number 12 is 1 by 3 square units. Now next one. Question number 13. Using the method of integration, you have to find the area of triangle ABC whose coordinates of vertices are, your triangle ABC is given and vertices of triangle ABC are given. Coordinates are 2, 0, 4, 5 and 6, 3. So first we will draw the diagram. Question number 13. So diagram. Triangle ABC whose vertices are given A 2, 0, B 4, 5 and C 6, 3. Done. Coordinates of vertices of triangle are given. So first we'll try to draw the figure. A20 lies on the x-axis. So somewhere over here. This is our A20. Done. Second point B45, x4, y5. So somewhere over here. B45 and C 6, 3 कहीं पर यहाँ पर होगा. Done. So this is the coordinates of C 6, 3. So triangle ABC is given. So this is triangle AB, BC and AC. Three sides are there and triangle ABC is there. We have to find the area enclosed by this triangle ABC. ये triangle का area निकालना है. ये question हमने कर दिया एक बार. So what is the area under this triangle ABC? Area under the triangle ABC is nothing but the area enclosed, area under the line AB plus BC minus area under the line AC. है ना, इसको यहाँ पर आप परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर दो तो आपकी लिमिट आएगी फ्रॉम x इक्वल टू 2 to x equal to 4 and x equal to 4 to x equal to 6. Done. So here you have to find the equation of this curve. Curve is straight line. Three straight lines are there. Line AB, line BC and line AC. Done. So first we'll try to find the equation of line AB. That is our one curve. So equation of line AB. So what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is 5 minus 0. That is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is the slope. And right, using the point on a line, that is 2, 0. So point slope form of the line y minus 0 equal to slope 5 by 2 into x minus 2. So here equation of this line AB is y equal to 5 by 2 x minus 2. Clear? Equation of line AB क्या आएगा? Equation of line AB is y equal to 5 by 2 x minus 2. Same way, equation of line BC. Equation of line BC. So slope of line BC, y coordinate 3 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 2 upon 6 minus 4, 2. So minus 1 is the slope. And using this point y minus 5 equal to minus 1 x minus 4. So equation of this line is y minus 5 equal to minus x plus 4. Taking minus 5 on the right hand side. So it will be y equal to minus x plus 9. So equation of this line is y equal to minus x plus 9. Done. And similarly equation of line BC. Equation of line AC. AC is slope क्या होगा इसका? Difference of y coordinate 3 minus 0 upon 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 2. So 3 by 4. Slope is 3 by 4. And considering this point, so it's a y minus 0. So y slope is 3 by 4 and x minus 2. So equation of this line AC is y equal to 3 by 4 x minus 2. Then this one is y equal to 3 by 4 x minus 2. So these are the equation of these three lines. So required area. So formula, required area is area under the line AB, area under the line AB plus area under the line BC minus area अंडर द लाइन AC। ये दोनों लाइन के अंदर जो एरिया है उसको एडिशन करना है, तो ये एरिया 1 + 2 मिलेगा, उसमें से ये एरिया थर्ड एरिया आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है। सो वी गेट द रिक्वायर्ड एरिया। डन। सो हियर टू फाइंड द एरिया अंडर द लाइन AB, लिमिट्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन इज x = 2 to x = 4. So this is equal to integration 2 to 4 y is 5/2 x minus 2 dx plus area under the line BC, that is integration from 4 to 6 minus x plus 9 dx minus area under the line AC is from 2 to 6 and equation of curve is 3/4 x minus 2. So taking 3/4 constant, so it's a 3/4 constant x minus 2 dx, limits 2 to 6. Done. Integrate this, put the values of limits and simplify it. We will get the answer. So this one is 5/2 constant integration x²/2 minus 2x, limits 2 to 4 plus minus x, integration of minus x² is x²/2 plus 9x 4 to 6 minus 3/4 x²/2 minus 2x 2 to 6. Done. Put the values and find your answer. Square units. Clear students? So this is how you can solve your question number 13. इसका सॉल्यूशन आपको भेजना है। इसके आगे वाले 2 सम्स मैंने दिए थे, उसका सॉल्यूशन अभी ग्रुप में नहीं आया है, वो भी भेजना है। 7 रज सर 7 है नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 सेम एज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। डायग्राम दो ड्रॉ करके छोड़ दूंगा उसको, है ना। देखो सेम ट्राइंगल गिवन, so you can say 3 equations of lines are given. We have to find the intersection point. We will get one triangle. So you have to find the area under this triangle. So question number 14. So here, using the method of integration, find the area of region bounded by the 3 lines. 3 lines are there. 2x plus y equal to 4. Equation 1. Equation of second line. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Line 2 and line 3 is x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So equation of 3 lines are given. You have to find the area of the region bounded by these 3 lines. So to find the area bounded by these 3 lines, you have to find the intersection point of these 3 lines. Done. Then we will get one closed area, and then we can find the area of that closed region. So first we will find the intersection point of these 2 lines 1 and 2. Then we will find the intersection point of these 2 lines 2 and 3, and then you have to find the intersection point of these 2 lines 1 and 3. Clear? So how to find the intersection point? For example, equation 1 and equation 2. 2x plus y equal to 4 is there, and here 3x minus 2y equal to 6 is there. So this is the pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So for that, you have to multiply equation 1 by 2. If we multiply equation 1 by 2, we are getting 4x plus 2y equal to 8. Equation 2 as it is. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Addition, so 7x equal to 14. We are getting x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2 in either of the one equation. So put in equation number 1. So we are getting the value of y. 2 2s are 4. So y equal to 0. Done. So here intersection point of this two line is, suppose this is point A, x x2 and y0. So 2 0 point is the first intersection point. Done. Similarly, consider equation number 2 and 3. So 3x minus 2y equal to 6. Now here multiply equation 3 with 3. So we are getting 3x minus 9y equal to 15. Minus plus minus addition 7y. 7y equal to minus 15 plus 6. Three x minus 2y equal to 6. This is 3x प्लस 5 को सामने ले जाएंगे तो माइनस 15 होगा, ये है ना, माइनस 15 और साइन चेंज होगी तो प्लस. सो प्लस 15 प्लस 6, प्लस 15 प्लस 6 21. So we are getting y equal to 3. Put y equal to 3 in either of the one equation. कौन सी लिए 2 and 3 ना, तो 3 में पुट करो. So it's a 3x minus 3 2 जा 6, 6 equal to 6, 6 plus 6 12. So x equal to 4. So second intersection point is B, 4,3. Done. Now consider these two equations 1 and 3. So for this 1 and 3, again we will multiply equation 3 with 2. So it's a 2x plus y equal to 4, and this will be 2x minus 6y equal to again minus 10. Minus plus plus 6 plus y 1y, so 7y equal to 14. So y equal to 2. Put y equal to 2 in equation number 1. So we are getting 2x equal to 2. 2x equal to 2. So x equal to 1. So third intersection point is C, 1 2. Done. So these are the three intersection point of these three lines. So if we draw the diagram, we are getting 3 points. Join the 3 points, we will get one circle, a triangle, and then we have to apply the method same as question number 13. डायग्राम क्या आएगा देखो. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 2 0, 2 0 यहाँ पर आएगा. देन 1 2 और ये बी ले लो, बी 4 3, x 4 y 3, x 4 y 3 यहाँ पर आएगा. एंड सी x 1 y 2, x 1 y 2 somewhere here. Done. हो गया ट्राइंगल. So now we have to find the area enclosed by this region. तो अभी क्या करना है आपको, सेम एज क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. क्या किया था, फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन दिस BC, इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन AB and इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन AC and do whatever the required things. Clear? Clear? ओके हो जाएगा. सेजल चौहान, सेजल चौहान कभी भी नहीं बोलेगी. सर देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं, सबसे सिंसियर सबसे स्टूडियस पर्सन हमारी सेजल चौहान है, लेकिन सेजल कभी मैथ्स के पीरियड में कुछ नहीं बोलती है. क्यों ऐसा? देखो कितना कंसंट्रेशन के साथ पढ़ रही है. वेरी गुड सेजल, कीप इट अप. अभी आगे बढ़ते हमारे क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 की ओर. ये रहा आपके सामने टान टान और अच्छा ऐसे म्यूजिक बजा रहे हैं. डिडिन 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 है ना, ये सब बोर हो रहे बच्चे अभी, है ना. ये हमारी लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है, इसके बाद हम नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 अगेन. हियर ऑर्डर पेयर एक्स वाई such that y square is less than or equal to 4x and 4x square plus 4y square plus less than equal to 9. Two inequalities are there. So you have to find the area enclosed by these two curves. पहले तो inequality रिमूव करके हम है ना कर्व ड्रॉ करते हैं. क्या होगा देखो, diagram. First equation 4x square, 4x square plus 4y square equal to 9 है ना. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखे तो क्या होगा, इट विल बी एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस वाई स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू 9/4. दिस इज वन सर्कल विथ सेंटर 0 एंड रेडियस 3/2. सो सर्कल विथ सेंटर एट ओरिजिन ना, सेंटर एट ओरिजिन एंड रेडियस 3/2. So this one is 3/2 0 point. Now another curve is y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4x है ना. ये इन वाली इक्वालिटी है, उसको बाद में देखते हैं. y square equal to 4x. So this is one parabola, positive negative value of y, x is positive. It's a rightward parabola. तो ऐसे rightward parabola आएगा. Done. Now अभी देखो inequality लेते हैं. For inequality you have to consider one point which lies in the exterior part of the circle. एक्सटीरियर पार्ट में कोई भी एक पॉइंट ले लो और उसको ये इक्वेशन में पुट करके उसकी इक्वालिटी चेक करो, या फिर डायरेक्टली हमने 11th स्टैंडर्ड में चेक किया था, लेस देन और इक्वल टू इक्वालिटी आ जाए तो क्या करना है, यू हैव टू कंसीडर द रीजन इंटीरियर टू दैट कर्व. तो इंटीरियर टू कर्व क्या होगा, इसके अंदर का होगा ये रीजन और सर्कल का अंदर का होगा ये रीजन. दैट मीन्स दिस इज द कॉमन रीजन, ये आएगा. यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस रीजन. सो फॉर दैट we have to consider this intersection point है ना. So area of the area of region under this curve plus area of the region enclosed by this curve. This is our f of x, this is our g of x, दोनों का एडिशन करना है. This f of x is the part of parabola. So y square equal to 4x. So this will be y equal to 2 root x होगा. And this is the part of our circle. तो इसको y के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो क्या होगा, y square equal to 9/4 minus x square. So y will be plus or minus, लेकिन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में हम पॉजिटिव साइन ही लेते हैं. इट्स अ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9/4 minus x square. So this is y equal to square root of 9/4 minus x square. Done. This is our circle and this is our parabola y equal to 2 root x. तो इसके अंदर का एरिया है ना, अभी हम इतना ही रीजन कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, उसका डबल कर देंगे, लेकिन यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक तो इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट का आपके कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने पड़ेंगे. सो टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट, पुट y square equal to 4x over here. So it's a 4x square यहाँ पर पुट करो x square plus y square is 4x. So it's a 4x equal to 9/4 cross multiplication 4x square plus 16x minus 9 equal to 0. 9 4s are 36 factors, 36 subtraction 18 2s are. So 4x square plus 18x minus 2x minus 9 equal to 0. Take 2x common. So it's a 2x plus 9 minus 1 common. 2x plus 9 equal to 0. So here we are getting two factors, 2x plus 9, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So two values of x are there, x equal to minus 9/2 जो कि कुछ काम की नहीं है, और x equal to 1/2 फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में मिल गई. So this is our x equal to 1/2. So here limits are from this origin, that is x equal to 0 to this x equal to 1/2 intersection point है ना. इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिले हमें 1/2 और y इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो भी मिलेगा, लेकिन हमें तो चाहिए ये, तो x equal to 1/2 और ये 3/2. Done. So required area. So our required area is required area